Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy to see you again in my channel. If this is also your first time in my channel, welcome to my channel, and I encourage you to check out the rest of the videos I have in my channel. And if you didn't subscribe yet, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Today we will be doing a mask for the kids that are going back to school. This mask, I have the pattern in the description below. It fits from age 8 to 12. I can make bigger sizes in my next tutorial, but there also another tutorial I made earlier for a different design mask. I have the link in the description as well. So without any further ado, let's get started.